Welcome to Bishop Legal News, where we review appellate and Supreme Court decisions that may affect the outcome of your own case. In the September 2011 case of Cudney versus Alsco Incorporated, the Washington Supreme Court considered whether public policy requires an action for wrongful discharge for reporting workplace driving under the influence. Alsco hired Matthew Cudney as a service manager at the Spokane branch in April 2004. During his tenure at Alsco, Cudney made numerous complaints about the alcohol use of John Bartich, the Spokane branch's general manager. On June 10, 2008, Cudney observed that Bartich was weaving back and forth, had slurred speech and glazed eyes, and smelled of alcohol. When Bartich drove away in a company vehicle, Cudney reported his observations to upper management. On August 5, 2008, Cudney was fired. Mr. Cudney brought an action in state court for wrongful termination. Alsco removed the case to federal court. The federal district court asked the Washington State Supreme Court whether the Washington Industrial Safety and Health Act, or WISHA, and Washington DUI laws were adequate to protect workers and the public under these circumstances. The Washington Supreme Court held that the public policies in favor of a worker and public safety was adequately protected by these two acts. Therefore, one of the essential elements of an action for wrongful termination in violation of public policy could not be established here. A party suing for wrongful termination in violation of public policy must show that the firing would jeopardize the public policy in question. Here, the Supreme Court held that WISHA's statute protecting against discharge for reporting safety concerns adequately protects the worker safety policy here, even though a complaint under that statute has to be filed within 30 days. Likewise, the court held that with the criminal statutes and the anti-drunk driving enforcement mechanism in place, Mr. Cudney could not prove that telling his management about Mr. Bartich was the only way to protect the public against Bartich's impaired driving. This case is important because it highlights the narrowness of the claim for wrongful termination for violation of public policy. Whenever an alternative means of vindicating the public policy is available under existing statutes, it is necessary that the employee use it. Legal news happens fast and can quickly affect the outcome of pending cases. Each case is unique, so this case does not necessarily indicate the outcome of your own case. Feel free to check back here for future editions of Legal News. I'm Raymond Bishop for Bishop Legal.